rear immobiliser fit. This is a 2023 Toyota Hilux, protected with a Starline alarm. As you see, someone tried to break the window already and steal this vehicle, but it had a Starline immobiliser on it, so they're unable to take it. The customer wants it a bit more secure and wants to know if someone's getting in the vehicle, if they smash the window again. So this has a glass brake sensor. On the system, but you'll see in a second the customer's phone's going to ring. The Hilux has given us a call, letting us know someone's smashed the window. It also has tilt, motion and shock protection, so if the vehicle's hit, lifted or moved, works off the factory key, and also has a Bluetooth authorization tag. So say someone managed to get your keys, you told them the code, they drove your vehicle away, they've got your tag, they're driving the vehicle. What you can do with the HaloTrack Plus is do the safe remote immobilisation. So we'll have this open. Say they're driving down the road at a fast speed. We'll send the immobilisation command. The vehicle's not going to cut out instantly because that would be dangerous. So we have the hazard light warning on the dash. We'll see the speed increases as we go to slow down. Say at a junction, hazard lights go, sirens go, vehicle cuts out. So this is a safe speed immobiliser. As you can hear, going mad. The thief's going to be unable to drive it any further, and we're also getting a phone call from the system to tell us that the vehicle's come to a standstill. We hang up on that, say the thief's in the vehicle, they try to start the truck, it's just not going to start up at all, it's completely immobilised. When you get to it, you're obviously going to want to drive it home. So what you'll do, go back into your HaloTrack app, tap on the immobilisation, turn it off. After a couple of seconds, this is going to go through, and then you're going to be able to start your vehicle again once you've got to it. So we'll give it a second to go through. There we go, the vehicle fires into life and you can drive it home after recovering it. This also works if the vehicle's switched off. So if the vehicle was off, we send the command, which we'll show you now. We'll just turn the vehicle off. It's no longer going to start. So say you had it at a garage, they weren't meant to drive it, you obviously don't want them to move it at all, so we'll go in here, turn the immobilisation on. After a second it's going to become active, so if we try and start it now, it's just not going to start up at all. They're going to have no chance to drive the vehicle anywhere. Obviously, to turn it back on, same again, go into your immobilisation, turn it off. In a second you'll see the vehicle fire up and you'll be able to drive it again. Our number's 028 212 7393. This is the HaloTrack Plus remote immobilisation tracking system. You can see where the vehicle is, where it's been. You can immobilise it, obviously at a safe speed, so as the vehicle slows down, it will cut out at, say, a junction or something like that, not doing 70 mile an hour down the motorway, because you don't want it in an accident. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. Thanks for watching.